ahabwe hururenji abahumuza development group bariyo batebekana so kwiruka ko murundo gwa kashatu gugendereye kujanjaze hururu yo kume by'obuhangwa kandi abera izoba babana bahereza y'abarato ebyo kuza kwirukangira mu
post marathon. We want to go to the schools and then we empower them so that they also contribute something. As these children grow, they know they are lost. We don't wait for them to get to 30-40 years for them to come in and take part in causes like this. So
Ramadan Chimbugwe kurugomba Homes Development Group nagirangu emyaka ebire hwire barukutebekana so kwirukoku hine cyangwe kindukireho abantu kukume by'obuhangwa
turebereho impinduka y'amani na munonga abantu binja barukutura hino mugera obwo kureba ngo abinji ababe batahirire nke bisharara tureba ngo nema reports ze kutereza na Ministry of Water bizoreka ngo hari abantu barukuterana amasumu abaryo bagezaho ku rugombe sharre.
World over, the water bodies are shrinking, so is our river Ripsi. So it is our prime duty to save this water body from different elements, and to us as Lato Milk, water is our main ingredient for processing of milk.
aba basima Vision Group, Radio West na TV West ahabwo gukora cyango okumanyisa abantu akabi akari mu kutahira by'obuhangwa
imyaka yona for the last 15-20 years utuyire n'umusomesa abantu n'ukureka kabi kebinte bari bakora ninge bari basyaru
okwirukoku harimo kwa kilometers 5 10 hamwe na 20 omugishayi cya Boma muri Mbarara City. Adolf Ayoleka, TV West.